Tell them the story. Cooper likes being held like a baby. Look at him. Belly scratches. Look at his little paw. And mommy's pushing. Look at him. Look, we're going to do nose to nose. Come here, baby. Fish rush. Come here. Looking in the eye.
No, he doesn't want. No.
Fish rush the baby. The baby boy. The baby boy likes to be held like this. Look at him. Look at him. Look at that pretty face. Nose to nose. You want nose to nose with mommy?
That's a no.
Hey. Hey. See, he wants a shush. The posh. The little posh. Never mind. Now he's acting up. He's so sweet. Okay. No more. That was cuddly time with mommy.